Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Roll Yeti fruit in Blox Fruits. This highly sought-after item grants formidable ice-based abilities, transforming you into a snow beast. There are multiple paths to obtaining this rare fruit, ranging from direct purchases to engaging in various in-game activities. We will explore each method, providing you with the best strategies to add this powerful fruit to your collection. Let's dive into the details and boost your chances of success. One straightforward way to get the Yeti fruit is by purchasing it from the fruit dealer NPC. This will cost you 5 million Bali or 3,000 Robux. Remember, the dealer's stock changes randomly, so consistent checking is key. Alternatively, you can try your luck by rolling for a random fruit at the Fruit Gacha NPC. The cost for rolling varies depending on your current experience level, making it a game of chance. Beyond direct purchases, trading with other players is a viable option, though it depends on market demand and player offers. Always consult a fruit value list to ensure you are making a fair trade. Engaging in factory raids, which occur every 1 hour and 30 minutes, can also reward you with a random fruit if you deal the most damage. Additionally, ship raids and pirate raids in the Third Sea provide further opportunities for fruit drops. To maximize your chances, turn on notifications for the Fruit Stock channel on the official Blox Fruits Discord server. The Mirage dealer, whose stock resets every 2 hours, often has a higher chance of carrying rare fruits. Keep an eye out for special holiday events, as these can offer gift boxes with increased chances for rare fruits like the Yeti. Some players even discover glitches during these events to speed up their acquisition.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.